Hello everyone, welcome back to Arosimas. Today, I'm making a super simple Japanese curry at home. The kind of meal that makes everything feel a little better. All you need for the ingredients is some pork. Today I use shoulder pork, potatoes, carrots, onions, and of course curry roux. And cut everything into bite-sized pieces. Nothing fancy here, just real home cooking. And if it's not perfect, it's still perfect. Or just cut them however you like, they all end up in the same pot anyway. And if your pieces are uneven, that just means it's homemade. And here's the vegetable squad. Not perfect, but ready for duty. This is one of my favorite comfort meals. Because of what? Because I can eat rice a lot. Every time I make Japanese curry, somehow the rice disappears faster than I expect. Okay, let's start by cooking the pork until lightly brown. As you see, your kitchen will already start smelling amazing at this point. Cutting into cubes helps everything cook at the same time and keeps a better texture in every bite. And you can also use chicken or beef, whatever you have at home or in your refrigerator. It's just a simple trick, but it makes a big difference. And now it's time to add in all the vegetables: potatoes, carrots, and onions. Potatoes will help make the curry thicker and more filling. Carrots add natural sweetness, and onions give the sauce a deeper flavor as they cook down. And please don't forget to stir everything together for a minute, so the vegetables are coated with the pork flavor before we add water. Then pour enough water to cover everything and let it simmer. Cover and let it cook until the vegetables are soft. Skim off the foam gently. It helps keep the curry clean and smooth. And believe me, this is the part where you just wet and get hungry. Now for the best part, curry roux. Break it in, let it melt, and watch everything turn into magic. And that's it. Simple, warm, and so satisfying. If you enjoy simple home cooking like this, I'll be making something even more special next. Stay tuned!